liking that new camera of
Oh,
yours?
I love it. The only thing is I'm having trouble getting you in focus.
Yeah, no kidding. That kind of reminds me, Brenda, of a lot of couples that we work with who really have a hard time getting their marriage in focus. And so, yeah, what are you thinking here?
So that's why we created a seminar called Get Your Marriage in Focus. And it's for those that are dating, engaged, married for a while, and it just gives you some time to be able to connect together and work on some details that maybe you've never thought about before.
Yeah, we have a lot of stuff that we like to share and say, but we also are going to give you things to see, because you'll forget what we say, but things that you see in illustration, you'll remember the rest of your life, because those are the things that help you keep your marriage in focus.
Right. So we'll have a lot of laughter. We always say we're not laughing enough, right?
Of course not.
And you may even have some aha moments too. So join us. Check us out on our events page at gillandbrenda.com, or if we're not close by, contact us and let us come into your community to encourage your relationships.
Yeah, the idea is to come and help you strengthen your marriage, bring about satisfaction, and that's the idea behind Get Your Marriage in Focus.
And our motto is always,
if you ain't got the marriage,
you ain't got nothing, because a strong marriage is the best gift you can give your kids. Hopefully we'll see you there.
see ya.